Erica, we've been hearing for weeks from healthcare providers asking when they would get the chance to get the vaccine, and now they can, and they are thrilled.
A relief, excitement. I was just happy that there's a clear kind of message coming from the state now. I think prior to that, it was kind of the wild, wild west.
And finally, it's time to circle the wagons against the virus for dentists and dental assistants and hygienists who can now get the vaccine.
We really do work very closely, with patients and aerosols. So I feel at more ease that we can be protected and that our patients that we're working on are also protected.
They have long known they were part of Phase 1 in Massachusetts, the first group to be able to get vaccinated. But weeks have passed since that first shot was administered in mid-December. And dentist Dr. Mike Mayer and his staff at Harmony in the South End have been waiting, trying to remain patient while treating hundreds of patients.
Every day, you just never know if that's going to be the day that there's a contraction of COVID in the office. Thankfully, we've never had that happen in the office.
Also on that large list at the back end of Phase 1, home health workers, hospice care, medical and nursing students, physical therapists, and school nurses. And there's a distinct possibility as the vaccinations ramp up, dentists can play a critical role.
We are no stranger to needles, and so I don't think that it would be much more of a challenge for us to jab somebody in the arm. I would hope that there are the mechanisms in place to make sure that we're doing everything that we need to do as far as storage and documentation of it. But if they have that in place, we'd definitely be open to it.
And we have the full breakdown of who is eligible for each phase on our WCVB mobile app. We're live at the State House. Josh Brigadier, WCVB News Center 5.